This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in an Edgeview layout, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, looking at the foyer where you would have entered. It's a coat closet, niche with a shelf, great for displaying some sculpture or just dropping your keys. There's a utility room, full-size, side-by-side, front-loading washer-dryer. And then as you head into the apartment, you have this voluminous space. You could use this area as a dining area. You have a dry bar with cabinets and counters that match the kitchen. Terrific amount of cabinet and counter space here. White and gray quartz counters. It's a pantry cabinet. 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer has ice and water in the door. It's a tile backsplash. 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave, dishwasher, great wide, deep undermount farm-style sink, the spray attachment and the gooseneck faucet. And this great living area has windows on 2 sides. It'll be flooded with light if the sun were shining. Look at wide plank flooring that extends throughout the living areas. High ceilings throughout the apartment. There's a wide balcony that looks out over the clubhouse and the pool. This would be a great space for entertaining or just to come home and relax in. Heading back toward the master bedroom, the apartment has the split bedroom layout that everybody loves. Carpeting in the master. It's a large walk-in closet. Enough space here to accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. And then you have an oversized master bath. Wide double bowl vanity. Back of drawers for additional storage. It's a wide walk-in shower, and behind the door there's a linen closet. Heading back toward the second bedroom, looking at the guest bath. It says finishes similar to what you saw in the master. 2 banks of drawers for storage in the vanity. Deep soaking tub. Another linen closet as you head into the second bedroom, which is as large as what you're going to find in master bedroom suites in most places. Great storage, great volume of space in this apartment. Very convenient location at Deer Park Crossing. Extensive amenities that include an outdoor pool, clubhouse with a fitness center, party room, a lot more. Put Deer Park Crossing high on your must-visit list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.